Maryland median sales prices hit a 10-year best at the end of August, with homes for sale on the market 7 days before selling. Housing inventory continues to be short. Interest rates are still at historic lows, and unemployment was at 7.5%. That's under the national average. It's Friday, September 11th, 2020, and a day of solemn remembrance for 9/11. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Maryland. August proved to be a record month for new condo listings in the Maryland metro area. Median sales prices for the DC metro area set an August record as the second highest overall in the past 10 years, down just 2.8% from July's all-time high. The Baltimore metro area also set an all-time high record for the third straight month with 12.4% year-over-year gain. Generally, August sees an 8.2% drop in sales from July. Not this August. Pending sales dipped only 0.9%. The ongoing inventory shortage helped boost pricing. Sellers received 100% of their original listing price for the most part. Anne Arundel County was one of the top performing markets, with its third consecutive month achieving a 10-year best for median prices. Pasadena marked a 16.2% gain in prices. Prince George's County boasted an overall 10-year high at the end of August, with sales in Brandywine improving 24.8%. It was also the best August for townhome sales, up 14.1%, and Hyattsville placed with a new high of 34 townhome sales. The Eastern Shore saw median sold prices up 11.1% from last August to a new high of $300,000, with Caroline County seeing median sold prices up to $250,000, a 49.3% price jump over August 2019, followed by Kent County up to $269,000, a 14.5% bump. Montgomery County enjoyed a 10-year peak in detached home sales, up 6.5% from last year, and Potomac saw a 12.4% gain. Condo sales grew 23.5%, with Silver Spring exceeding 100 condo sales in a month for the first time on record. Carroll County actually surpassed last month's record high at 7.5%, and Westminster prices were up 20% from August 2019. Harford County townhome prices rose 18.6%, marking a 10-year best, and Abington townhomes at a new high of $246,000, a 15.0% increase in prices. So what do you think about the market? Let me know your thoughts. Thanks so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. That's your Maryland Market Minute for Friday, September 11th, 2020. I am Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll be here next Friday.